Hi, in this video I will solve tabular and graphical version of midpoint Riemann sum. Let's start with tabular one. Use a midpoint Riemann sum with three subintervals of equal length. Subintervals will be equal, indicated by the data in the table to approximate the value of 1 over 6, 0 to 6 ct dt. Okay, let's start with the subintervals. We will have three subintervals of equal length. The first one will be 0 to 2, the second one is 2 to 4, and the third one is 4 to 6. We will get midpoint, so we will use a midpoint y value. In between 0 to 2, the midpoint x value is 1 and y value is 5.3. The other midpoint is in between 2 to 4, 3, and y value is 11.2. And the third one is 5, and y value of 5 is 13.8. And the length of subintervals are 2. All of them are 2. We will calculate the area of rectangle using the base and a height. Okay, I have 1 over 6, 0 to 6 ct dt. 1 over 6 is a coefficient, so I will multiply the result with 1 over 6. This is an approximation. This is why I use approximation sign. And the first rectangle will be 2 times 5.3 plus the other one is 2 times 11.2, and the third one is 2 times 13.8. If you want, you can take a common parenthesis of 2. This is your choice. And here I will calculate the value 10.6, 22.4, and 27.6. Okay, inside we have 60.6 over 6 will give us 10.1. The approximation of 1 over 6, 0 to 6 ct dt will be 10.1. We completed the tabular example. Let's look at the graphical one. I have a graphical example also. In this graph we have f of x is given. Use a midpoint Riemann sum with three subintervals of equal length. Again, we will use three subintervals and equal length. Okay, to approximate the value of 0 to 6 f of x dx. Okay, we will calculate 0 to 6 f of x dx. Our region is 0 to 6. Okay, I will create three equal subintervals, 2 and 4. Subintervals are 2, 2, and 2. The length of subinterval is 2. And I have to use the midpoint y value. I need the value of 1, the value of 3, and the value of 5, but y values. So I have to check the values. 1 goes to 2, and 3 goes to 3. 5 goes to the middle of 0 to minus 1. It is minus 1 over 2. So I will use 2, 3, and minus 1 over 2. Here I will show you the common parenthesis one because our subintervals are common. So I will take a common parenthesis. The value of f of 1, the value of f of 3, plus f of 5. Okay, f of 1 is 2, f of 3 is 3, and f of 5 is minus 1 over 2. The inside is 4.5. 2 times 4.5 is 9. So approximation is 9. This is the end of the video. Thank you for listening.